जय हिंद दोस्तों। आज की वीडियो एक फॉलोअप है ऑफ माय प्रीवियस वीडियो विच इज़ अराउंड सेटिंग अप योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस एंड योर गोल्स। अगर आप लोग ने मेरी वो वीडियो नहीं देखी तो मैं उसकी लिंक डाल दूंगा, आप वो पहले जाके देखिएगा। नाउ let's talk about the role of genes when it comes to achieving the kind of physique you require, right? Once you set your goal and understanding, this is what I want to achieve, how does genes come into play here? So सपोज करो आप लोग ने डिसाइड किया कि मेरे को एक एथलेटिक फिजिक चाहिए, राइट? मैं उसी उसी डायरेक्शन पे ट्रेनिंग कर रहा हूँ पूरा, और आपने एक मैक्सिमम लेवल पहुंच गए। उसके बाद आपकी फिजिक इज नॉट transforming into the way that you saw someone within the same goal section, right? Like who has an athletic physique, you are not able to achieve that, right? And you are not very sure what is happening. So there are two aspects to it. Not that कि भाई मेरे पास मेरी जो फिजिक है वो मैक्सिमम मैंने कर ली और किसी बंदे की फिजिक मेरे से बहुत ही अच्छी है, राइट? लेट्स से एन अफ्रीकन गाय हु लुक्स, हिज बॉडी इज वेरी चिसल्ड and we both like kind of have trained significantly in the same space and same training, but he has a much better physique. Now there are two ways that you can look at it. One, that person has taken steroids and done different things. Two is that he or she has a very good genes, right? They're born with certain kind of genes that you just cannot you cannot surpass, and that happens. And this is something you need to understand and bifurcate कि भाई क्या चीज जीन्स रिलेटेड है, कौन सी चीज स्टेरॉइड रिलेटेड है. So genes is a factor that try to understand in simple words. Like for example, height, right? We have a standard height 5'5", like Indians, 5'10", 6'2", and so on and so forth. Germans, right, they will be very tall, right? You'll have people who are very tall. Similarly, Africans, they have chiseled physique, right? They'll be able to get that kind of physique, which we will never be able to get it, even with thodi se training se they'll be able to get that because their body is built that way. Similarly, if you look at, let's say, people from the southeast, right? They have straight hair, flawless skin, and so on and so forth. If we try to achieve that, we'll never be able to get it unless we do things like plastic surgery and other things. So we need to understand that there is a stuff called genes, right? Which is why we all look very different between different demographics, right? अलग-अलग जगह से लोग अलग-अलग दिखते हैं because it's because of genes, right? Now, genes are different between steroids, right? You need to understand. So if I am working out, I have a physique which is very strong, which looks very good, but I am looking for a physique of an African guy who looks very chiseled and he's also natural, and I am thinking why I cannot do that. It's because of genes. There's a certain limit हर body की point A से लेके point Z तक, right? आपकी ग्रोथ होगी, but आपका वहां पर जाके खत्म होगा. That is the maximum that your physique can get. उसके बाद आप थोड़ा 19-20 कर सकते हो यूजिंग सप्लीमेंट्स, विच विल टॉक अबाउट सेपरेटली, राइट? सप्लीमेंट्स आर नॉट स्टेरॉइड्स. सो जैसे वे प्रोटीन ले लिया एंड सो यू कैन जस्ट ऐड 10% हियर एंड देयर, राइट? एंड दैट्स द मैक्स. बट दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू गेट यू टू दैट लेवल जो आप देख रहे हो किसी दूसरे बंदे के अंदर. So it is important to understand genes play a big factor when it comes to how you will look. You and me will look different. I know people who are of my age who are not good looking as me in terms of my physique, whatever I have today, and there are people who are much better than how I look, right? Some people have, of course, genes which are much better than what I have. They are more muscular in that sense in terms of body composition and so on. But I do not get bothered by that क्योंकि मेरे को पता है कि मेरी बॉडी की इतनी ही लिमिट है इन टर्म्स ऑफ गेटिंग टू अ पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट. उसके बाद अगर मैं करूंगा सो इट विल जस्ट मूव 10% हियर एंड देयर अनलेस आई ऐड सब्सटेंसेस. So you need to understand this instead of ending up taking steroids, drugs, other things here and there and getting and again मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ, ये आपकी लेवल सेट करनी है एक्सपेक्टेशन. इसके लिए वो फॉलोअप है वो प्रीवियस वीडियो का. पहले आप लेवल सेट कीजिए एक्सपेक्टेशंस, understand the concept of genes in your entire training, how it will impact and how you will look eventually. And that should be it, right? Do not get carried away by so-called influencers. बोल रहे ये ले लो, फलाना ले लो, ऐसे कर लो ट्रेनिंग, फलाना कर दो. It is all very structured. If you want to make your physique, it is a program. एक प्रोग्राम रहती है कि भाई अगर मैं एक एथलेटिक फिजिक बनाना चाहता हूँ तो उसके अंदर फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी ट्रेनिंग होगी, उसके अंदर एक दिन कोर वर्कआउट्स होगा, फंक्शनल ट्रेनिंग होगी, फलाना होगा, ढिकाना होगा. there's a whole program, right? And it continues and it increases. It's a kind of graph that keeps going up. Whereas if you were to just mix it up and do अचानक से कुछ बॉडी बिल्डिंग का वर्कआउट कर रहे हो, फिर कुछ खा रहे हो एंड देन यू आर नॉट डूइंग, इट्स अ डिफरेंट रूटीन, राइट? बॉडी बिल्डर्स की ट्रेनिंग बहुत ही टफ होती है, वो अलग टाइप की ट्रेनिंग करते हैं, right? And that is because you want to look in certain way for a particular period of time. right? So again, do not mix up. Genes are separate, setting your goals are separate, and taking steroids are separate. Do not confuse genes with steroids. हर बंदे का एक बॉडी का एक शेप होता है, that is determined by his genes. So do not think that because I cannot achieve that, though he is natural, you will say that, oh, he has taken steroids. That is not how you should look at it. Okay, so please understand these things. As you train more and understand, you build up experience, you will understand what is a natural physique versus a physique that's loaded with substances. I hope you like the video. If you do, like and subscribe. I'll get more videos and content. Thank you.